Hello, PulseGate enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of PulseGate, the bridge developed by Pulse Wallet. This game-changing bridge enhances PulseChain adoption, offering easy transfers of assets between PulseChain and other blockchains. With PulseGate, you have more freedom and flexibility in managing your assets. PulseGate currently supports a solid lineup of assets, including USDT on BNB chain and Ethereum, USDC on a variety of VM chains, as well as PLSX, InkX, and EHEX on PulseChain. Now, let's get into the step-by-step guide. First, let's talk about how to bridge from Ethereum to PulseChain using PulseGate. Step 1. Open the app and head over to the Bridge section. Step 2. In the Bridge section, choose ETH Ethereum as your starting point. Step 3. Next, pick a token on PulseChain as your destination chain. Quick reminder, ensure you have some ETH for gas fee if you're bridging from Ethereum. Hit send token and you're done. Then, what about bridging from BNB chain or other chains to PulseChain using PulseGate? For other chains to PulseChain, you basically do the same thing as when bridging from Ethereum to PulseChain. The one difference is that you need to select a different sending chain and make sure you have some native tokens such as BNB in your wallet for gas fee. Another great thing about PulseGate is that all USDC transactions incur zero fees thanks to the CCTP. Download Pulse Wallet on iOS and Android now and start enjoying the convenience at your fingertips. Stay tuned for more updates and happy bridging, everyone!